When implementing a new software solution, like Microsoft Dynamics 365 SAP or a custom system, a fit gap analysis helps evaluate how well the solution meets the organization's business requirements. First one, a fit. The software meets the requirement as is, with no modification. And now let us talk about the gap. The software does not meet the requirement and will require customization, integration, a manual workaround, and a process change. Fit. In the context of a fit gap analysis, a fit means that the proposed solution meets the business requirement out of the box, with no need for customization, coding, or major workarounds. The standard functionality of the system is sufficient to support the process, objective, or control in question. This is the ideal scenario. The solution fits the business need as is. Examples of a fit. Requirement: track customer contact details and order history. Fit: standard CRM module already provides this feature with dashboards, filters, and linked records. Another ample of requirement: approve purchase orders above $5,000. Fit: the system includes configurable approval workflows that can be set with threshold limits. Benefits of a fit: faster implementation, no development required. Lower cost, no extra resources for customization. Fewer risks, no deviation from vendor-supported features. Better upgrade path, out-of-the-box features are usually supported in future versions. Vendor support, fit features are fully supported in documentation and help desk. Why prioritize fits? Solution providers often recommend prioritizing fits to simplify maintenance, align with system best practices, reduce total cost of ownership (TCO), stay on the upgrade path without having to rewrite custom code. Vendor support, fit features are fully supported in documentation and help desk. To confirm a true fit, the requirement is fully satisfied using configuration settings. No custom code or third-party tool is needed. The solution meets functional, technical, and compliance needs. Sometimes users might mistake a partial fit for a full fit. It's important to validate each fit with a demo or prototype, user walkthroughs, clear documentation of how the requirement is met. Vendor support, fit features are fully supported in documentation and help desk. What to do with a gap? When a gap is identified, you and your solution provider must decide how to handle it. The main options are: what to do with a gap? When a gap is identified, you and your solution provider must decide how to handle it. The main options are: 1. Customize the solution. When to use, critical requirement, no workaround, high business impact. Risks, increases cost and complexity, must be maintained during upgrades. 2. Change the business process. When to use, if the new system follows a best practice you can adopt. Benefit, reduces need for customization, aligns with standard system capabilities. 3. Use a workaround. When to use, for low frequency or low impact processes. Example, use Excel for a calculation and manually input the result. 4. Integrate with a third-party tool. When to use, if another system handles the function better. Example, use a dedicated HR system integrated with your ERP. 5. Do nothing, defer, or eliminate. When to use, if the requirement is outdated or no longer valuable. Risk, may cause user frustration later if expectations are not managed. A solution provider helps you conduct workshops to identify fits and gaps, propose configurations or customizations, offer best practice process alternatives, provide effort estimates for each gap, help prioritize based on cost, value, and risk.